Alright, it says solve 3 and 1/6 plus 2 and 3/10. We can either choose to add the two whole numbers, the 3 and the 2, which will give us 5, and then we can add 1/6, which is a fraction, and 3/10. Now the LCM would have been 30, right? 6 into 30, 5 times 1 times 5. 10 into 33. 3 3 is 9. So that works out to 14 over 30. Now this can be reduced because both of them are even numbers. So we divide by 2 to give us 7 over 15. And remember we had 5 in the beginning. So our answer would have been C. Alright, let's move on to 17. Alright, so we have 2 and 5/8 minus 1/3. Alright, so I'm going to just convert from the mixed to improper. So 2 times 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So 21 over 8 minus 1 over 3. Find the LCM. Once you're add and subtract, you should find the LCM if there's different denominator. The lowest common multiple would have been 24. 8 into 24, 3. So 3 times 3 times 21, which is 63. 3 into 24 goes 8 times. So 1 times 8, 8. 63. Retina person. So 63 take away 8, that would be the person now add 55, right? Over 24. How many groups of 24 we can get? That will be 2, which is 48. 48 and 2 and 5. So that's 7 remain. So our answer would have been B. Well done. More fraction. What is 3.5 minus 1 and 6/7? Alright, so we have 3.5 minus 1 and 6/7. I'm gonna do the conversion because 6 over 7 is greater than a half. Alright, so I'm gonna do the conversion. So 3 times 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 times 7 plus 6 over 7. So 3, 2, 6. And 1, 7 over 2, 177 plus 6, 13 over 7. Find our LCM, which would be 14. 2 into 14, 7 times. So we multiply 7 by 7 to give us 49. 7 into 14, 2. 2 times 13, 26. So 6 from 9, that leave what? 3. 2 from that leave. 2 from 4 leave 2. How many groups of 14 we can get out of this? Could do 1 time, right? Because you need 5 more to make 28. That means we're short on 9. 14,600, yeah. So our answer would be C. Remember guys, it's always best to convert if the last fraction is greater than the first one. Because there's no way you can take 6 out of 7 from a half. So don't complicate it unless you go borrow a whole. Alright, a property sells for $1.5 million. The 5 owners each receive a fifth of the money. How much money does each owner receive? A property sells for $1.5 million. Each, how much money does each person receive? I agree, Israel. Let me see if it was Israel. Yeah, yeah, I agree. It was Israel. All right. So it's a property sale for $1.5 million. So we know it's at 1.5, right? So 1.5 right like this. So all we have to do divide this by 5. But we can use 150 as a little leverage, guys. If you divide by 150, that'll be 30, right? So you can see say it's this. All you have to do is add the number of zeros. That's 300,000. Or if you multiply, if you have the time, and you multiply out by the 300,000, you get what the 1, 2. That one short of 1 0. Supposed to be 5 zeros. Yeah. So when you multiply it out, you get what the 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 20 says solve 2 and 3/5 divided by 1/10. 2 and 3/5 divided by 1/10. Oh, that one you know load. Yeah, Jeremiah, agree. Number 20, agree. Correct, Israel. Correct, Shamaya and Rosalie. Correct, Kalyan. Good job.